How to remove age restrictions on X. Hello everyone and let's get started. On today's video we will discuss how to enable the age restricted contents and remove the restriction from such contents. For that, open your account and then tap on the profile on the top left corner. Once you click on your profile, you will see different options. Go to settings and support and settings and privacy. From here, you have to tap on the settings called as privacy and safety. Then tap on contents you see. First of all, you can toggle off the option display media that may contain sensitive contents. Go to its personalization settings and you can change it as well. Tap on search settings and toggle off hide sensitive content option and also remove the reputed contents. And just by that, you have restricted or removed the age restriction from the X. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.